I think there's a problem in the STEM industry, like many other industries, where for women, education and accomplishments don't really necessarily translate into promotions and success and economic empowerment.
So to have a forum where you can interact with other women, understand the challenges, the unique perspectives that comes with being a woman in a leadership position is great.
A while back when these were only a concept, Sue McNulty came and asked certain managers from our organisation about what we needed as leaders and particularly as women leaders. I think that's really awesome because they've done a lot of consultation and made these events specifically for us.
I was asked to join this event as a mentor to share some real life examples of problems that we have solved, of how authentic leadership can be perceived, and also for those people to see real life examples of people who have succeeded in this space. The type of event that the Queensland Government's put on is a very interactive event. It's one that encourages learning. It's one that is sharing stories so that what you are learning in the environment then is backed up through experience.
The people that speak are knowledgeable, are funny, they're always quite funny, and to be honest with you, even if you only pick up one or two things along the way, it's still going to be beneficial and help you better in the workforce.
You get to learn different ways to navigate around those barriers and be inspired to try, because it's sometimes quite difficult to keep that motivation if you're working remotely or you don't have a big staff. So you can get quite isolated. So to be able to get out and speak to other women and hear their fabulous stories is really, really important, I think.